Did you know that in the last decade, the number of millionaires worldwide has more than doubled? Crazy, right? So, what's stopping you from joining their ranks? Are you ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and find out how to make real money fast in 2024? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the simplest ways to start making real cash this year. With the rise of technology and new opportunities, you won't believe how easy it is. So, let's get into it and explore how you can start cashing in. Now, before we jump into the strategies, let's talk about some common misconceptions. A lot of people think making money fast is all about luck or some secret formula that nobody shares. But here's the truth. There are real challenges that can hold you back. Maybe you feel overwhelmed by the endless options or you're scared of failing. It's easy to get stuck in a cycle of doubt, especially when it seems like everyone else is making money effortlessly. And let's be honest, we've all seen those flashy ads promising quick riches that end up being total scams. So, it's no wonder you might be skeptical about making money quickly. But don't worry, today we're going to bust those myths and show you that it's possible if you take the right steps. Alright, so let's explore some methods and strategies you can use to start making money fast. First up, side hustles. Whether it's driving for a rideshare company, selling handmade crafts online, or freelancing your skills, side hustles can be a great way to boost your income. Next, let's talk about investments. I know, investing sounds intimidating, but there are accessible options for beginners. Look into apps that allow you to invest small amounts or consider real estate crowdfunding platforms. These can help you dip your toes into the investment world without needing a ton of cash up front. And don't forget about leveraging online platforms. With social media and e-commerce booming, you can create a brand or sell products from the comfort of your home. It's all about finding what fits your lifestyle and interests. Now let's highlight a success story that really drives this home. Meet Sarah, a regular person like you and me. Just a year ago, she was working a standard job, but she decided to take action. She started a blog about sustainable living and paired it with an online store selling eco-friendly products. Fast forward to today, and she's making over $10,000 a month. Sarah didn't just sit back and wait for success to come knocking. She put in the work, learned about digital marketing, and adapted her strategy as she went along. Her story shows that with determination and the right approach, you can achieve financial success quickly. So, to recap, making real money fast in 2024 is not just a dream, it can be your reality. Remember, the key strategies we discussed include exploring side hustles, investing wisely, and leveraging the power of online platforms. The potential for financial success is out there, but it's all about taking action and not letting fear hold you back. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these methods, or do you have your own money-making tips? Share your experiences in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on how to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.